Hi, thank you for visiting the SoundBytes podcast. Here we try to explain ins and outs of phenomenological research. In case you're planning to start one, keep on listening. We prepared short and sweet discussions that might help you. Let's get it rolling. In this episode, we're taking into consideration key characteristics of a phenomenological paper. First key characteristic is an emphasis on a phenomenon to be explored, phrased in terms of a single concept or idea. In the field of education, for example, the phenomenon may be professional growth. In psychology, it may be grief. In healthcare, it may be caring relationship. Second key characteristic is the exploration of this phenomenon with a group of individuals who have all experienced the phenomenon. Therefore, it must be a heterogeneous group, and its size may vary from 3 to 4 individuals to 10 to 15. Third key characteristic, a philosophical discussion about the basic ideas involved in conducting a phenomenology. These concepts may be, individuals' lived experiences. Both are subjective and objective. When we say subjective, we would like to mean personal experience of the phenomenon, and when we say objective, we would like to mean common with other people. Thus, the refusal of the subjective-objective perspective. In the spectrum of qualitative and quantitative researches, in other words, phenomenology lies somewhere in between. Fourth key characteristic is the bracketing. The researcher partly sets aside one's personal experiences with the phenomenon so that one can focus on the experiences of the participants in the study. Fourth key characteristic, a data collection procedure that involves interviewing individuals who have experienced the phenomenon. In some phenomenological studies, though, these data involve varied sources. It may be poems, it may be observations, it may be documents. Fifth key characteristic is on data analysis. Its data analysis is composed of systematic procedures moving from narrow units of analysis, say for example, significant statements, and on to broader units, say for example, meaning units, and on to detailed descriptions that summarize two elements: what the individuals have experienced and how they have experienced it. Finally, the sixth key characteristic of phenomenology ends with a descriptive passage that discusses the essence of the experience for individuals, incorporating the what and how of the experience. The essence is the culminating aspect of a phenomenological study. Next episode, we will delineate two types of phenomenological research. Thank you for listening to the SoundBytes podcast. Don't forget to join us in the next episode.